Ever pondered how philosophy and manifestation intertwine? Let's embark on this intriguing voyage. Manifestation, an age-old practice, has evolved exponentially, yet its core remains constant: the belief that our thoughts can influence our reality. Now, imagine pairing this with philosophy, the study of fundamental questions about existence, reality, and knowledge. Philosophy encourages us to question, to probe deeper into the very fabric of our existence. When we bring together the practice of manifestation and the wisdom of philosophy, we create a powerful synergy. This fusion encourages us to not just manifest our desires, but also to understand the deeper layers of our thoughts, beliefs, and the nature of reality itself. By integrating philosophical insights into our manifestation practices, we cultivate a richer understanding and a more focused intent. A blend of philosophy and manifestation opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for personal growth. How can critical thinking sharpen our manifestation practices? This question paves the way to a deeper understanding of our dreams and aspirations. Critical thinking is not just about solving complex problems, it's also about refining and focusing our intentions. When we apply critical thinking to manifestation, we begin to question. We ask ourselves, what do I truly desire? Why do I desire it? This line of inquiry allows us to sift through our surface-level wants and reach the core of our true desires. Next, we employ logic and reason, tools fundamental to philosophy. We examine our desires in the light of reality, assessing their feasibility and the steps needed to achieve them. This process empowers our manifestation, transforming vague dreams into tangible goals. For instance, if we desire to write a novel, we don't just visualize the finished book. We critically evaluate our writing skills, plan a writing schedule, and outline our story. Critical thinking provides the tools to manifest with intention and clarity. Ready to experience the power of philosophical manifestation? Let's dive into some practical exercises that fuse philosophical concepts with manifestation techniques. Imagine a scenario where you're about to make a significant decision. Engage in Socratic questioning, asking yourself why at least 5 times to uncover the true intent behind your desire. This practice not only refines your goals but also anchors them in deep personal truth. Moving forward, let's hear from some experts. Renowned philosopher Dr. Jane Smith advises, when manifesting, always consider the ethical implications of your desires. Meanwhile, manifestation coach John Doe recommends using Stoic principles to maintain emotional balance during the manifestation process. Their insights offer us valuable perspectives to enhance our manifestation journey. As we conclude this segment, remember their words of wisdom. Implement these exercises and expert tips into your manifestation routine. By integrating philosophy into our manifestation practices, we can manifest a more thoughtful, intentional life.